We have to admit, if we're being honest, that at some point we all get challenged by complexity. A useful way to think about complexity is through the prism of time, because humans are calibrated temporally to absorb a certain level of quality as we stream experientially through time. We need to be emotionally relevant, intellectually relevant, and our experiences have to mesh with the experience of others who are calibrated in the same way that we are. Now take a fly for instance. The temporal calibration of a fly is way out of sync with our own, and the calibration of a turtle is off to the other extreme. Complex systems like the weather are difficult for us to accommodate due to the variant settings of their initial conditions. And chaos theory is a way for us to get our minds around these kinds of complex systems by understanding the utility of strange attractors, which are like loose constraints. Now, due to our calibration, we are more attuned to rules and restraints rather than to strange attractors and constraints. So our time-honored reflex is to try and freeze a snapshot from a macro state and then think that application of rules and restraints will work to manage complex systems. And these are just inappropriate tools. Tight rules and restraints are too simplistic and they're too limiting to work on complex systems. And this is where strange attractors and constraints challenge us to operate out of temporal sync with our normal sphere, our little circle spheres. And that's why being a control freak often leads to failures when trying to manage complex processes. That's also why slowing down and respecting complexity requires a kind of quiet humility, which can be thought of as kind of broadening the temporal footprint of our awareness beyond what we're used to on a normal day-by-day basis. Understanding that rules and restraints are an inappropriate management tool for complex systems, this is a key factor in going to the next level as a systems manager or as a systems architect.